Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I decided to make something special for you guys. It is something special that you could make for that special person on Valentine's Day. It is one of my favorite pound cake recipe, cranberry pound cake, and the color of the fruit goes well with the theme of the day. So let me show you how it is made, and I'm gonna leave the list of the ingredients in the description box. To make this cake, you will need a cup of cranberries. I'm gonna be using a cup of sweetened dried cranberries because this is not cranberry season. But when in season, you could use a cup of fresh or frozen cranberries. I'm gonna be rehydrating the cranberries by soaking them in hot water for about 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna cover it and let the berries sit for 10 minutes. While the berries are soaking, this is a good time to prep the other ingredients. To the flour, I'm gonna add a quarter teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm just gonna mix everything together, then sift the flour. If you are new to my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Thank you and God bless you. So when I'm done sifting the flour, I'm just going to give it a quick mix to make sure everything is properly combined. I'm going to be using 4 large eggs. Your eggs should be at room temperature. When I'm done cracking the eggs, I'm going to set the eggs aside. Back to the cranberries. They have been soaking for 10 minutes now. I'm gonna strain it because I don't need the water. You don't have to toss the water. It is sweet and it has the cranberry taste. You could refrigerate it and enjoy it with your pound cake later. As you can see, the fruits are looking plump. When the cake is ready, you won't believe that these were dried cranberries. So I'm just gonna leave the cranberries in the strainer to continue to cool down. So it is time to start mixing everything. I'm gonna be using 2 sticks of butter. Then I'm gonna use the wrapper to grease the pan. Once the pan is greased, I'm gonna add a cup of sugar to the butter and cream together. Make sure your butter is at room temperature. And I am using unsalted butter, that's why I added some salt to the flour. I'm gonna continue to cream the sugar and butter till the sugar is less visible and the mixture is lighter in color and fluffy. And I'll be scraping the side of the bowl once in a while to make sure everything is properly combined. Once the mixture is properly creamed, I'm gonna be adding the eggs one at a time. Let me use this time to send a special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and TikTok. You can also follow me there. Thank you. And please don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you. After adding the last egg, I'm gonna beat the batter for 7 to 10 minutes non-stop on high speed. And if you want to add a liquid flavor, this is a good time to add it. After 7 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna slow down the speed of the mixer and add the flour in gradually and continue to beat, making sure I do not over mix it. If you don't want to use a mixer at this point, you could just fold it in. If you over mix your batter, it is gonna develop gluten and we do not want gluten in cake. FYI, it is better to make your pound cake with cake flour, but if you are like me and you don't have cake flour, you could use all-purpose flour. So I am done with the mixer. At this moment, I'm gonna use the spatula to fold everything in. The cranberries have cooled down by now, so I'm just gonna add the cranberries in and fold. Try not to add hot fruits to your batter. If the cranberries are still hot, they will just destroy the structure of the butter. After everything is properly combined, I'm going to pour the batter into the greased pan. Oh, I forgot to say this at the beginning. Before you start doing anything, it is very important to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The cake will bake for 60 to 70 minutes depending on the temperature of your oven. So if you are still watching the video and you are enjoying it and you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Thank you. I'm just gonna try as much as possible to smoothen the top of the batter. And when I'm done, I'm just gonna gently tap it to remove any air bubbles. So it is going into the oven to bake for 60 to 70 minutes. After 70 minutes, the pound cake is ready. You can check by inserting a skewer. When it comes out clean, that means it is done. While the cake is still in the pan, I'm gonna let it cool on the rack for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'll take it out of the pan and let it continue to cool down. Look at this delicious golden goodness. I want you to take a closer look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Whenever I make my pound cake, I don't really eat it the same day. I let it sit overnight and it tastes better the next day. So this is the next day. Let us cut into the cake. Look at that. Look at those crumbs. See the fruits evenly distributed. I don't know if you guys can see this. The fruits are very supple. They are plump. They do not look like dried fruits. To take this up a notch, I'm gonna be serving it with some ice cream and some strawberries. Strawberries are perfect fruit for Valentine's Day. You could also serve it with whipped cream if that's what you prefer. So if you are trying to make someone feel so special on this Valentine's Day, why don't you give this recipe a try? I promise you, you will not be disappointed. And that your special person will be so happy. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.